And do you recognize that as your conditions of probation that you signed and agreed to?
Yes.
Your Honor, could we I'd move to admit 3014 and publish it.
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
These are being admitted to show what Ms. Lauber understood, correct, Ms. Lewis?
Right.
Okay.
Correct.
Overruled. 3014 is admitted for the purpose of showing Ms. Lauber's understanding.
Okay. And you signed that paper agreeing you would follow those conditions. Is that true?
Correct.
Do you want me to publish these?
Oh, yes. I said that.
Okay.
Sorry. But since May of 23, I mean, you violated these conditions, true?
I don't recall what you mean by that.
Have you violated any of the conditions that you agreed to since you signed that paper?
No, which one do you know?
You haven't violated any conditions?
The weapon one? Is that
I'm
the one
sorry,
you're talking
what?
about? The weapon one? Is that the one you're talking about?
I'm asking you, did you violate the weapons condition?
If there was a weapon found in my room when they raided it, yes. If that's what you're meaning.
Was there a weapon found after you signed these conditions?
Yes.
So you violated that condition.
Yes.
All right. You also violated the alcohol condition, correct?
If you're talking about where I went to a concert,
That's correct. That's what I'm talking about.
yes.
All right.
My-
So, and that was in November of 2023, correct?
I'm not sure. The day of the concert, I went with a bunch of friends.
Okay. Could we just show the witness defense exhibit 3010? And actually, you violated in October of 2023. Is that correct? Okay. I'm sorry. So October of 2023, you violated your alcohol condition, true?
I went there with a bunch of friends, and my buddy who bought me the ticket, I asked him if I could pay him back. He said, no, you could just buy the drinks and snacks.
All right. And you drank the drinks also.
No, I did not.
Well, so you were seen at the concert by a detective from the Summit County Police Force,
With
correct?
buying them, yes, correct.
And you had alcohol in your hand, correct?
Correct.
And afterwards, he contacted you, correct?
Maynard did, I believe. I don't
Okay.
think-
It
I
was
don't think-
Detective Maynard contacted you.
Yeah, I don't think this detective did.
And you admitted to him that you drank the alcohol,
I
correct?
had told him I was there with it, yes.
You said you consumed it.
No, I did not. I don't recall telling him I consumed it, no. I had bought the snacks and beverages for,
Would you look at what's in front of, actually, Your Honor, can we just publish this now? I'd move to admit for
Objection,
impeachment
Your Honor.
purposes.
I think
Um,
hearsay?
Hearsay, yes.
Sustained.
All right, I want you to take a look with the line that is,
Can't read it.
thank you, highlighted. I was going to count it, but the line that is highlighted.
yes, I see it.
And what does that refresh your recollection as to what you told Detective Maynard?
No, I don't recall, but if it's there, I guess so.
So you did tell Detective Maynard you actually drank alcohol, correct?
I don't recall, but if it's there, I guess so.
Okay. So if Detective Maynard said that You admitted that to him. That's true.
Yes, yeah,
All right.
he said that, yes.
And in fact, you also violated your curfew too, correct? You had a curfew, isn't that true? Let me back up. You had a curfew, correct?
Yes,
You had to be home every night by 9 p.m.?
yes.
And you violated that also when you went to the concert, correct?
I don't recall if I stayed the whole concert. I did not stay the whole concert. I left early. If I was home at 9 o'clock, probably not exactly at 9.
So you don't admit that you violated your curfew?
Yes, I do.
You did violate your curfew?
Yes, but I
Okay.
said I did not stay the whole concert.
Okay. So the reason that you were discovered in violation is because an officer saw you, correct?
Correct.
Or no one would have ever known, correct?
I'm not too sure. I had an ankle monitor on. They would know where I was at.
But they wouldn't know you were drinking?
No.
No? Okay, so you just happened to be caught on this occasion, correct?
Correct.
All right. So then in February of 2024, you wrote a letter to Judge Mabee, who was over your drug court, correct?
I don't recall.
Okay, could you show Exhibit 3012? Thank you. Take a look at that and tell me if that is the letter that you sent to Judge Mabee. Do you remember that letter now, Ms. Lauber?
Yeah.
You do?
Yes, I do.
Okay. I'd move to admit Exhibit 3012 and publish it.
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay.
It's not.
Are we admitting it for the truth?
I mean, it's her statement. She can be questioned about it.
So, questioner,
Yes.
sustain. If you're admitting for the truth, it's hearsay.
All right. All right. In this letter, you were asking for permission to go visit your boyfriend in Las Vegas once a month, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And in this letter, you said that, actually, Your Honor, could we approach 1 second?
Of course.
Okay. So you were writing to ask for permission to go, oh, could you take that down, Katie? I'm sorry.